students, in last class we have completed our first chapter and from today we will start chapter 2 Roman numbers. So first we will write the basic concepts of this chapter. First basic concept is 7 basic symbols. In Hindu Arabic numeral form we write 1 and 1 is written as I in Roman numbers. Similarly 5 is written as V, 10 is written as X, 50 is written as L, 100 is written as C, 500 is written as D and 1000 is written as M. So this is your first basic concept. Next basic concept is second, no numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. That means while writing Roman numbers, we cannot repeat any symbol more than 3 times. We cannot write it more than 3 times. Then third basic concept says the Roman numerals I, X, C, M can be repeated. So these symbols can be repeated. Fourth one is the Roman numerals V, L, D cannot be repeated. So V, L and D symbols cannot be repeated. Then next concept is fifth one, I can be subtracted from V and X. This I symbol can be subtracted from V and X. When we have to subtract something, we write it on the left side. Then sixth one, X can be subtracted from L and C. Seventh, V, L and D are never subtracted. Symbols V, L and D are never subtracted. Next number is 69. LX, for 9 we write IX. And then now 70, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, IV, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and then LXXX for 80, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now 81. 81 is written as LXXXI. LXXXII. LXXXII. Now 84. 50, 60, 70, 80. 1 subtracted from 5. 84. 50, 60, 70, 80 and V. 86. LXXXVI. 86 I will write again. Starting from 86 only. 86 is LXXXVI. V means 5, I means 1. 5 plus 1, 6. So 86. Similarly 87, 88, 89 and 90. For 90 we will subtract 10 from C, X from C. So 10 minus 100 is 90. 91. For 91 again 91. 92. 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Come to question number 3. Match the following. We have to match Roman numbers from Hindu Arabic numbers. X, C, V means 10 is subtracted from C, 90, and V is 5. So 95, which is the D option. L, X means L subtracted L plus X, 50 and 10 is 60. E option. L, X, X, I, X, 50, 60, 70, and I, X means 9, 79. H option. X, 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 V, I, 10, 20, 30, 35, 36. 36 is G. L, X, V, I, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68. 68. X, C means 10 subtracted from 100, which is 90. A. L, X, V, 50, 65, 65. X, L means 10 subtracted from 50, 40. To exercise 2.1, question number 1, fill in the boxes. So we have to write these Roman numbers into Hindu Arabic numerals. So first we have C and X is written at the left. So we have to subtract 10 from 100. 10 from 100 means 90, and then IV. IV means 4. So this becomes 94. Then XL means 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 is 40, and then IX is 9. So 49. XX, IX. X means 10. This X also means 10. 10 plus 10, 20. And 1 subtracted from X means 9. So 29. LVII. L means 50. V means 5. And II means 2. So 55 plus 2 is 7. 57. LXXVII. L means 50. XX means 10 and 10. 50, 60, 70. 70 and 8. VIII is 8. Then LXXIX. L is 50, 60, 70. IX is 9. 79. XC means X subtracted from C means 10 minus 10 subtracted from 100, which is 90. XL, when X is written at the left side means we have to subtract it. So 10 subtracted from 50, which is 40. Similarly, XC was 90 and 95, 6, 7, 97. XC is 90 and IX is 9, 99. Come to question number 2. Write the corresponding Roman numerals for the following in your notebook. So we have to write Roman numbers for these numbers. We will write it as 50, we know is written as L. This 50 is what? 51 is what? 50 plus 1 when we expand it. So 50 is L and 1 means I. So this is Li. Again 50 plus 2, 52. So for 50 L and for 2 I. Again 53 means 50 plus 3. So for 50 we will write L, for 3 we will write I. Now maximum 3 times only we have to write a symbol. One symbol can be written for maximum 3 times. So now 54 is 50 plus 4. 50, and now we will not write I. That will be wrong because only 3 times we can use a symbol. So for writing 4, we will subtract 1 from 5. LIV. For subtracting, we write it at the left side. We have subtracted 1 from 5. So 54. And now 55. 55. 50 plus 5. 55. Now 56. So first we will write 50 and then for 6 we will add. For adding we write a symbol at the right side. 50 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 56. Now we will write 57. So first L, and for writing 7 we will write 5, 6 and 7. Here 58. 50, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. So 58. Now 59. Here we will not write I again because 3 times we have used. So 50, and for writing 9 we will subtract I from X, means 1 from 10, which will give us 9. Here we have to write 60. So first 50, then add 10, 60. 50 plus 10 is 60. Here 60 we have written. Now again 61, 62, 63, 64 is written as again IV, 65, 66, 67 and 60 I 8.